Hi guys, I've decided to make a shift of focus with regards to the channel and the materials published here. From now on, I will mainly publish introductory videos on YouTube, which will hopefully appeal to larger audiences. And the more technical material will be offered as complete specialized courses to private members of my new website, meerkatstatistics.com. So I've started my own membership program and I hope you guys would consider joining. Why should you become a member? You get access to all the video content. Most future videos will only be published on my website as part of complete courses. The courses I publish will have extra materials, notebooks with more examples, exercises, etc. I also hope to incorporate automatic grading exercises in the future. Easy access to code and PDF notes, which you can download. I hope to build community discussion with forums where people can ask questions and share knowledge on the courses offered. No ads, which is great. I'm hosting these videos myself, so you won't have to look at ads. Support the creator, me. This is an act of trust on your behalf, which will help me create more content. I'm currently offering two courses, GLMs, Generalized Linear Models, and VI, Variational Inference. There's also all the other material in a separate course. This will grow with time, and I hope to add more courses and enlarge and improve the current courses with more materials. I'll also incorporate certificates in the future, and I'm also considering to create live online statistics, data science, and machine learning bootcamps. But there's still a long road to go until we get there. How do you become a member? Go to courses and then click Buy Membership. Choose the membership plan that fits you. I'm offering 60% discount of the yearly plan to the first 100 users. So it currently only costs $20, which is like 2 months on the monthly plan. You can click here and add the voucher code FIRST100. Enter a username and password, make sure it's strong enough. Enter your email, go over the terms and conditions and mark that you accept them. Then click Checkout with PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, you just enter your details and they create one for you on the spot. Otherwise, you simply pay and get redirected back to the website. The payments are recurring, but you can cancel them anytime by going to the Membership tab and clicking on Cancel. You will still have access until the end of the subscription period. After that, you will need to purchase again. It's easy and painless. Once you're a member, you have access to the courses and can start them by clicking on Start Now. There's a navigation bar on the left, which helps you orient yourself in the course. You can mark a lesson as complete by pressing Complete. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on my new website.